Hey, this is Driving with Miles. I just wanted to share this beautiful view with you. I know we're getting ready to move into 2021, and I know things have been hard for me too, but take a moment and look at this beautiful skyline. This is a once-in-a-lifetime thing, and I just wanted to share this with you to let you know that I am so thankful for all of you and what you've done and supporting me and getting me out here. And I'm making a commitment to all of you to bring you the best content I can, the best teachable moments, because I'm very passionate about driver's education. All of you know this. I love it. And I just want to say thank you for getting me out here and allowing me to do what I'm passionate about, and that is teach driver's education. I'm so lucky in my lifetime just to get out content and teach. And the feedback and the comments have been so wonderful and so enriching. So I just wanted to say thank you. I just want to say thank you.